eastward again toward the Mediterranean, we'll stop at Tangier. For more than a century, Tangier was an international city, trading in gold and jewels, currency exchange, gambling, and political intrigue. The old Moorish walls and gates contrast with the modern architecture of today. You'll enjoy a stroll through the narrow streets of the Kasbah and the flower-filled courtyards of the old Sultan's palace. Here we shop for Moroccan handcrafts, all sorts of beautiful and useful articles and gifts in hand-tooled leather and hammered brass.